Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is me, Ankit. I'm back again with another reaction video. Today I'm reacting to a request on my channel, and this is a trailer of a movie. And it says The Lady of Heaven trailer 2021. Going by the name, I think this is some kind of horror movie, or I'm not sure about it because I don't know what exactly the movie is about, but it was requested and I'm going to react to it. If you like such content, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So here we start with the reaction, guys.
The world is in shock as a group of terrorists has taken control of large areas of Syria and Iraq.
Syria and Iraq.
The world can be a cruel and dangerous place.
I see.
Remember, even if you're afraid, be strong. Your loving mother,
I think
Fatima.
this.
Did your mother ever tell you the story?
So first 30 seconds, I get that impression that this movie is about the war in Middle East and about ISIS. The initial feeling I get from 30 seconds is that this will have a very strong storyline because everything looks intense. So let's continue.
Story of the Lady of Heaven.
She was very special.
Let's go back a little.
Daughter.
Yeah, I think I missed that part.
Ever tell you the story of the Lady of Heaven.
She was very special.
Daughter to the Prophet Muhammad.
Oh, 1400 years.
My time is near. And afterwards, my lovely
Alright,
Fatima,
this is different.
you will face many trials.
With my father no longer here to lead us, evil is with those who will extinguish the light of truth.
This is quite
A woman
intense.
tell us what to do. We will burn her out.
God will judge all of you.
This world has become a breeding ground of violence. Shadow will be cast across many generations to come.
What I see here is that they are making some kind of connection to the ancient times. So looking at this, I think the filmmaker is trying to make connection to what happened in the past with the current situation. So I personally feel this is quite controversial. I'm not sure of how Muslims are reacting to it. I think this is a controversial topic and controversial movie. I feel I'm just reacting to this movie trailer. I am not aware about the facts and the legend and the stories behind it. So forgive me if I say anything wrong. Let's continue with the reaction.
It said some people are so full of faith. They give strength to everyone around them.
The greatest thing in this life and the hereafter is the spreading of peace in the world.
Lady Fatima's goodness inspired people to stand up, no matter what the cost. Her legacy lives on.
Interesting. For me, this legend is something that is unheard. There are a lot of famous stories and legends that I've heard from Muslims, Muslim people, but I'm not sure how Muslim world is reacting to this trailer and how they are taking it. I'll definitely look into that. I've heard a lot of stories from Muslims, but this is something that I've not heard, and I don't know how factual this is, and I think this will be subject to controversy. Anyway, the movie looks well produced. The visual quality is really great, and the trailer itself makes an impact on you and makes you want to watch that movie. Other thing that I liked about it is the characters. I'm not sure in which country this movie has been produced, but I think it's in English, so maybe somewhere in Europe, or I don't know, Canadian. I'm not sure. So let me know, guys, where this movie is produced, and I'll be definitely watching this movie. A trailer was quite interesting. So let me know more about this movie in the comments below. I'd love to know. And if you have any suggestions for me, any music video, any trailer, you can comment below and let me know. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.